Hello and welcome to my video of MacMINIX. This is the first video on this channel, so I'd like to say that I'd like to focus on mostly just reviews and playing with old systems because I think it's nice and not that many people do it. Mostly obscure systems, so today I'm not going to be reviewing or showing you Macintosh System Software 753. There is a lot of videos about it, but I'll try to focus on things like MINIX, MacMINIX, and I don't even know if it is called actually MacMINIX, but I call it MacMINIX because it's MINIX on a Mac, so it kind of makes sense. And forgotten systems that only run on the original IBM PC, PCXT, and such. I just like delving into these old things. I actually got the MacMINIX booted at the moment. Why? I don't know. Oh, I forgot to close it. That was testing. So I'm currently running this through Pasalisk 2 with cheat disabled. I had many crashes with not only MINIX but other things such as installations and things. Just the JIT compiler doesn't work all that well for the 68K processors, so I just disabled it. It's not a big deal. This computer is quite low end, but so is the Macintosh in today's terms, so it works quite well. MINIX, both MINIX and macOS. Also, I'd like to apologize that there is quite a lot of noise in the recording. I am currently recording this on my new laptop, notebook, whatever, which is nice, runs Linux pretty well, even emulators, but the problem is that the microphone's pretty small and bad, and I don't have anything better. The only better microphone I have is the one built into the iMac we have, the family iMac from 2006. That is a bit better than this. It doesn't produce as much noise, but I'm not going to use that. The problem is that on that computer Linux just doesn't want to run. It just is weird, crashes, phrases, whatever, so I decided to use my new notebook to record any videos. Isn't that all bad? I'll try some noise removal and maybe it will work pretty well. Also, I'd like to apologize that my English is not ideal / pretty bad. It just is, unfortunately, and I can't do all that much about it. Also, I'm using a simple screen recorder to record this, if any of you are wondering. It's probably the best recorder for Linux. It can handle both just screen grabbing, which I'm using right now, or OpenGL capture, which I use for recording games, such as Minecraft. So, MacMINIX is nice. It is a implementation of MINIX 1.5 on the classic 68K Macintoshes. You can download it actually from the MINIX free website. If you look into old downloads, there are quite a lot of ports of MINIX 2 and 1 to old platforms such as the Atari ST. I will try to review all of them because they're all nice. And that, basically. This booting screen actually looks just like the booting screen for the x86 version of MINIX. I wanted to start with that, but to run it in QEMU, whatever, you have to patch the boot sector or QEMU itself because it uses some weird floppy boot sector magic number that isn't compatible with later versions. Right. And so it doesn't boot. I tried PCE, the emulator, PC-IBM PC. I got it running once, but that was a long time ago, and now it just refused to say that the root file system diskette is the root file system diskette, even if it could actually list the contents of it. I have no idea why. There is a pre-made 1.5 MINIX, I believe, even 1.1 MINIX image on the PC website, or maybe if I can't get it running myself, I'll use that to showcase. So this is a MacMINIX, and it's nice. The you can log in as root, and the password is geheim in German with a big G, which I think is secret, but I'm not really sure. You have 15,000 no 1.5 megabytes of memory and 780k available, as you can see right here. You can't select stuff, that's bad. I can choose a font. That's nice. You actually have only 2 CCYs, which is quite weird, I would say, but whatever. Maybe if I can, no. I'll use this one because YouTube doesn't like videos and compresses them in such a bad format that it's only good for photos. It's actually really bad compression, so it's not nice for uh, text and GUIs and such. I'll try to upload this video on Media Goblin, or just up the resolution, magnify it, and then upload to YouTube. It should make it make it just a bit more bearable for compression. So this is actually Unix, nice Unix, compatible with System V5, yes, System 5 Unix from AT&T. I saw some 10-minute interview with Andrew Tannenbaum, who made this. If you look at this, MINIX is MacMINIX, yeah, it's called MacMINIX. MINIX for the Macintosh by Andrew S. Tannenbaum. That he wrote the MINIX because AT&T's System 5 Unix, System V, I believe System 5 is something else, but I'm not sure, or System 7, I can't remember, was had a silly license that denied education or something like that, and then he wrote MINIX and made a book about it, so that it was better for education, and it was quite a successful operating system. It was the most affordable and probably best and most hackable, surely, operating system that resembled Unix for the x86 platforms and other ones eventually, like the Mac or Atari ST, Amiga even, I believe. So it's nice, really nice. You have your standard Unix commands. I have a reference manual for MINIX 1.5 open on the iMac. Currently running Windows because Linux freezes. So somewhere in here should be a full list of commands. I saw it somewhere. Yeah. Damn it. It'd probably be better to just can't open. Oh, that's weird. Does this work? Yeah, HD1 is better than /USR. The RAM is for a device. Oh, it has a RAM disk actually. If you look here, you on the if you look, where is it? Yeah, there are 3 images root, which presumably gets copied to the RAM. You can configure that here. Use RAM disk. That's why it's so fast. And then you have USR, which is the extended commands that you don't really need at boot. If you are familiar with Unix, this is pretty basic stuff. So, ls.profile, what is this? Oh, it doesn't have tab completion! It doesn't have tab completion! It doesn't have command line history, what is this? This is rubbish. ls.def, what is it? HD 0 through 1, FD 1, 0, 1, TTY 0 for 3. Funny. I have 2 TTY windows, so if I'm logged in as root currently, so I could probably use something like echo Oh right, I have to use the US key map to get double quotes running. Done. Oh no. So I should be able to use redirection to dev tt. Oh no. 8 space tabs. Horrible, horrible. Oh, it actually didn't do anything. That's weird and unfortunate. Is there some sort of a better console? There isn't. Alice bin, what's in here? Do I have? Oh, I have a C compiler. It doesn't do anything. TMP, nothing. ETC. Nice things in here. There are actually binaries in ETC. What? I have no idea whose idea was this. Horrible, horrible. Setup USR, setup def, setup move, almost update, eject. Yeah, there are some Mac specific commands like eject or HD open. I believe there are that are actually Mac specific. So you can use this as your primary operating system if you can deal with the horrendously bad shell. You can program your own. I believe there are disks of sources with MINIX 1. It actually is half as floppies are sources. But I don't think they were distributed with this MacMINIX. Cats et. Oh no! This is going to take quite a lot of time to get used to. What? etc. Yeah, cat. Read daemon bin ast. Use ast. What is ast? Oh, that's the home directory actually. Oh yes, the read line sort of script bugs out sometimes where you as you can see here, this part you can either overwrite it or just there will be remains, but there aren't. This happens a bit with modern Bash and ZSH and other shells, but not as much and not in this scale. So what do we have here? Cat group. Yeah, groups. I forget what. Oh, that is yes. I know what these are. Key codes for the console actually. TT my type. What is that? RC. That is the. Yes, that is the. No. VRC, not Vim. The legendary Unix editor. Oh, it has a head. It has a head. It has a head. Oh, yes. Gosh. Add. Help. Oh. Add. RC. Print. To print. Print. For print. I'm not going to use this. V is just better. I have no idea why these direction signs are here. No idea. HD open, yes. USR HD1. Yeah, yes. This opens files, MINIX file system files that are actually in the Apple file system, HFS. It opens them, these things, as devices. TMP, HD, yes. More initialization can be added. Ooh, can't see. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, SM tab. So yeah, you have it. The RC file from MINIX. Tab. Oh, this is just a text file of. Actually, I don't have sound from Pulse Audio setup, so you won't be hearing the awesome beeps of error. I was just too lazy. I don't have Pulse Audio with the normal null sync to one null sync and then two what is it called? Loop backs to the null sync from both monitor and the microphone. I don't have that set up yet. Probably have it. I'll do it when there's some OS application that actually has sound. We're in the root directory and user. I do not understand why that is here. The why one. Hello. Oh, that is what I wrote to TTY1. I have no. Oh right, TTY1 TY. Oh, good grief. This shell's crazy. USR add admin BADM /WTM reboot. Ah! Funny. IST. I have no. Oh, that is the normal users thing. Bin. USR bin. Wow, quite a lot of pings here. ETC. USR ETC actually. No. Yes, USR ETC. Funny. That is considered a non-standard directory nowadays because ETC is so small that having it on USR is just pointless. AGN. Oh, what is that? The make file. Oh. That is the sources. Oh, let's not see. Let's look at the source for RS. MINIX. What is this? Oh, let's look at MINIX programming. Oh, that looks ugly. That is just ugly, ugly C magic. This actually is, I believe, a man page format. These things. I can't use page down. Yeah, for beeping. I'm no longer really happy. I don't have page name, so I have to use V magic. 10 down, 10 down. I should be using AJKL actually. I'm using the original V. I don't understand this. This is C magic. You can download it yourself and play with it yourself. I'm not going to. Setup devs. ls bin. What is in bin? ls x bx. Where is that? What? Oh, I guess this is a boot sector in assembly. We're in USR. Yes. Let's include. Not include. This is what I type when I don't have tab completion. I need it. Nice. The include slash stdlib. Well, has print, yes. It doesn't have printf. What? Prototypes? What is this madness? Some macros even. I'm sorry, this video is a bit lengthy and uninformative. This is just what this is MINIX. This isn't all that exciting. This is just command line stuff. Browsing through old files, discovering quirks of old shells and such. This isn't going to be exciting. It might be exciting if you like digging through old files, even looking at someone digging through old files, and might inspire you to just pause this video, turn off the browser and get yourself MacMINIX or MINIX. Well, the Mac specific Apple targets H. Quick George H. Actually, a full-featured suite of stuff. Sound age. It's the only thing I can really test. It's not inside Macintosh. Yeah, that was the built in by Apple for about the internals of the Macintosh, I believe. Struct, car, wave, struct tone, count, amplification, duration. Struct, so many structs. I don't like structs. Structs are funny. Prototypes. Fuck off with prototypes. I don't like prototypes. I don't like prototypes. Why are there prototypes? Let's see. I don't get it. Maybe it's bound to some binary somewhere. Tar has its own library. R has its own. It is R and tar. Funny. Man, nothing. This is principle. I have no idea how that works. SRC. SRC. That's nice. And I'm going to do some C programming. See how this works. Oh right, English, American, whatever keyboard. Yeah, this is B. Lib.h int main. Oh right, American keyboard. int count. Oh, it actually pushes the thing. That's nice. I'm used to be Czech keyboard, as you can see, making square brackets with F and G. Far too used to. No, append, enter. Ah, haha, I know the, at least a bit of it. Print. Damn it! Let's try this. I believe that's the correct syntax for a hello world program in. Oh, this is undo. This is some sort of a magical version of the last version of V I used. Didn't have undo. It just. Oh, what is this? Just jumped. The bad thing about this is it doesn't show you if you're in insert mode. Hello world, and we can't forget to no, yes, right, yes, and I can now quit and RSCC hello world.c. Cannot find include file stglib.h. Line 3 missing. What? This is line 3 and there is nothing missing, damn it. What is this? Huh? Oh, see, undefined. Oh, right. I have a int argc. Oh no, this is this kind of a C. I'm not going to bother the arguments. If you know, I believe the original C draft, they had arguments under the declaration of a function, and I have no idea how to do it. So I'm not going to bother. Dot slash a dot out. I did it! There is apparently no file to include when you are using printf. Now, what's the C function to read manual pages? I'm going to search for C read character. No, X. C. This probably doesn't have a scanf. Get car. Probably doesn't have a IOTA or whatever function for converting to a number is. Append this. Get car. So int car. That probably won't work. Car int equals get and printf. This will show how bad I am in C. I believe it's %D, isn't it? %D and car int, and of course I can't forget this. Car int undefined. What? Line 4. A colon missing? What is this madness? Where should there be a colon? Nowhere. Let's purge this and we're in now C. I don't like C at all. I didn't like it anyway. Let's look at the source code. ls commands. Wow, that's a lot. sh exit vsh.c. No, it's which C? No, which sh dot slash sh. Oh, it's not a regular file. What? Bin sh is that ls dash al bin sh. Does this have? No, it doesn't. ls ls more. Yes, it has. At ASCII and blah blah blah. sh. Where is sh? Date du echo. It's actually a du. Yeah, I get tt white grass. Make man modem mount. I can't see sh apparently. That's probably not it. Well, lots of useful programs anyway. Tools. What is there? Make init. Oh, MacBoot. V MacBoot dot C. No. Yeah, MacBoot C. It exists. Boot kernel, MMFS, and init. So here, see the C magic. You see the C magic that leads to this actually launching. Uncommented C magic. I can't think how anyone could work in this environment. It is weird, and the Wii is weird, and it hasn't got any history, command line history, and tab completion. I have one of those. Loads reallocate can. Oh no, pointers. Pointers of cryptic names. This is a nightmare. So this doesn't happen to be. Oh no. So this is probably going to be the end of this rather lengthy overview video of MINIX, MacMINIX. Actually, go play with it yourself. Go try and understand how horrible these C programs are. I really don't know what they do. I know the basics of C. I can write a hello world, although I can't remember the standard API for some reason, for input mostly, and well, I never understood really what those C magic, lots of pointers and lots of allocation and cryptic names. I mean, they probably had cryptic names and short cryptic names because they didn't have auto-completion, I guess. I do have auto-completion. I am pretty well. So, let's exit. And we have a login screen. I have to quit. So this was MacMINIX as a first video on my channel. I will probably make more of these videos, and I'll try to make it a bit more entertaining, because this was not entertaining at all. It's not funny at all. So, end the video, I guess.